Nope. I'm not going to do it anymore. I am not going to do it anymore. I am not going to keep leaving money on the table. And you shouldn't either. Hey there, guys and gals. This is Barbie Figueroa, and thank you so much for watching my video. Happy Wednesday. I am so excited to do this video for you, and I'm going to do my best to do like a one-take thing, because one of the things that I want to do more of this year is just kind of like just roll through and make my videos as if I'm right in front of you. And I am mustering the courage to go live more often. Not more often, just start going live. So I will keep you posted on when I will be doing that, because I think it'll be a lot of fun, because I think that doing having more interaction will be a lot of fun for both of us. So what am I talking about in this video? In this video, I want to talk to you about the week that I've had. Oh my goodness, I'm showing my age. I'm showing my age. I'm about to turn very soon 52. I'm a Gen Xer. I didn't realize how old school I actually am until I realized that there's a world of other ways to do things out there that I was really being super close-minded about, if I'm being totally honest. So in the last few videos, I've talked to you a little bit about how, I've had to expand my business model. I've had to expand opportunities in my life to come into my life, because I can no longer just focus on one thing, just one thing. And there's a time and a place to focus, especially if you are building something. If you're building something, let's say you're in a network marketing company, an affiliate program, and the business model is there to support you. Like, for example, if you have, cash flow on the front, let's say you earn like $200 on the front end, or if you, have some sort of a sign-up bonus, something like that, that leads into the recurring income, you can totally 100% focus on that thing and totally kill it, okay? But if you don't, there's only a few options that you have. One of which is having a digital course or some sort of digital training product or some sort of a service in front of said recurring income, right? So for example, if you are if you're a website designer, right? And this is what happened to me, before I got into this whole kind of like world of, aligning affiliate income streams to what I was doing as a lead converting website designer. So as a lead converting website designer, who my ultimate goal was really to like do affiliate marketing, and some sort of leveraged marketing, right? So that I could somehow have recurring income, right? So before I was doing that, I was doing the lead converting website design, and back then there was no real like platforms like we have now that if you promote them and you sign customers up, you earn a good recurring income. Like before, my only option really was doing WordPress and then signing you up for like, HostGator or Bluehost or something like that. I never used a Bluehost, but I know that there's other web designers that do. And so you only earned that extra money. It was like a one-off thing. So I'd earn like maybe $100 one time if I signed up someone to HostGator and did a WordPress website for them. That was it. So because I didn't have any recurring income on the back end to support me, I was on this month-to-month client grind, and I was struggling, okay? Because the other problem that a lot of, service providers have is you are providing the service, so then you don't have a lot of time to do the marketing. So how are you going to look for more clients? Well, then you have to depend on referrals. So it's like, and then the more referrals you have, then the more, work you have, which is not a terrible thing. But now you've kind of created this job where if you're the only one doing the work, now you're always working and you're always on your computer, right? I was like, I don't want to do that. I need to have more leverage. I don't want to be tied down as much. And so I need some sort of an option. And then we got hit by a hurricane. And then I was like, okay, that's it. I have got to find some sort of recurring income stream that aligns with what I'm doing, that totally makes sense. It's in the branding and marketing niche because that's what I love. And then lo and behold, shows up this software as a service. And I've told this story already. In the beginning, it had the perfect model, right? Things have changed and things are not as easy. So I would have to choose to either be a web designer, create my own products and stuff like that. So that is kind of like the backstory so that you see where I'm at right now. So I was like, okay, well, I need to kind of like open my horizons and figure out how can I still do what I'm doing, because I love what I'm doing. I love the company. I love the tool, right? Still use it and would still recommend it, right? But now I need that cash flow product in front of my business model. And so I started to create my own courses. And it is not easy. It is not easy. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is not easy. And what is not easy? What's not easy is creating the content is a lot of fun. But then the sales process, the sales pages, all those things, right? It's not easy for everyone to do. And then like it stops at me. Like, I know I have to paint my nail. I have one nail. I know. If you've been watching me, I know I have to, like, anyway, I'm going to do my nails later today. But anyhow, so I like, what was I saying? What was I saying? Oh my gosh. See, I had a squirrel moment. I totally had a squirrel moment. Oh yeah. So it's not easy because of all the other things you have to do. And so if someone purchases a course from you, it stops right there, right? And I love creating training. I love systems. I love duplication. I love to kind of like I like multiplication type of businesses where it's not just me. There's layers to it, and then I get to train, and then you apply what you learn, and then that grows your business while it also grows my business. So network marketing, affiliate marketing. I love that because in my eyes, that is a multiplication business model where the coaching model and the course creator model kind of stops at you until this whole this whole world of master resale rights is now coming out of the woodwork. And it's not anything new because it's been around for a while, but somebody got the idea of the same thing I was having. It's like the buck stops at me. How can I help other people not have to go through the pain and the time and all the things that it takes to create a digital course yourself and create something that anybody can use that has incredible value, and then insert a master resale right that gives that person the ability to resell the course to other people for 100% profits. I was like, huh. But isn't that going to compete with me? Isn't that going to compete with the courses that I'm making? At first I thought that way because this is my old thinking. This is my old school Gen X stuck in my old ways kind of thinking. And I was like, I don't know about it. I'm going to keep working on my course. But you know, God is so good because everything happens for a reason. And I created my own courses and now I have my own assets. So I realized, why am I thinking in a this versus that? I don't want to live in a this versus that world. I want to live in an and world, in a multiplication world, in a, hey, if it makes sense, add it. Why not? Right? And then that's when I realized I was sitting there one day, hemming and hawing, should I add this to my business model, right? Because even though some of the stuff that I teach overlaps, some of the things I have no idea how to do. Like they teach Pinterest marketing in this course. They teach Instagram marketing in this course. They teach TikTok marketing in this course. They teach a lot of the stuff that I don't know and I don't claim to know. And I'm just like, I don't have to know everything. And I don't want to keep myself in this box, because if this can help other people that may not want to go this route, but they're open to going this route, why not? It's like, why don't we just become the Home Depot? right? Stand behind the register and give the people what they want, right? And this is what some of my mentors taught me a long time ago. Sit behind the register and give the people what they want, right? And so I was like, that is what I'm going to do. And so I decided I'm going to add this thing to my business model. And the reason that I did was the deciding factor, the thing that just clicked in my brain is that one day my son was trying to figure out how can he promote his stuff on Instagram. I'm like, honey, I have no idea. Can't help you there because I have no idea how to do it. Oh, but wait, this course teaches how to do that. And that's when I had to think bigger than me, because I think sometimes we get stuck in this box. And when we get stuck in that box, we leave money on the table. I'm not doing it anymore. We leave so much money on the table. At least I have, right? And another place I left money on the table is even with my YouTube monetization. Do you know that I've never, ever turned on my monetization inside of my channel? And then my husband's been after me for a long time. Barbie, turn on your monetization. Barbie, turn on your monetization. I'm like, no, because I don't want people to see ads and all stuff. Do you guys see ads? I'm not sure. I don't know. Or maybe you see them regardless. But like, we pay for YouTube Red. I'm just totally being honest here, right? So we pay for YouTube Red. So I don't really see ads. But he's like, the rest of the world that's not paying for YouTube Red, they see ads no matter what. And YouTube is going to put ads on your videos no matter what. And do you know how many people are literally learning right now from Sean Cannell, from the Video Academy? I forgot the name of his program. I purchased it last year, but people are actually, they're just dying to get monetized. And here I am. I've been monetized for over 2 years and I never turned on my ads. And when my husband told me, he's like, they're going to put ads anyway. What are you doing? And then one day I was watching TV on a TV that we have that you know, like if you're not logged into YouTube, like let's say if I open an incognito browser, I would see YouTube the way everyone else sees YouTube. And you know what? They put ads. And I was like, oh, wait, they're putting ads anyway. Might as well, if I'm making content, might as well monetize. And so I turned on my monetization about a month and a half ago, and I'm almost at $100. It's not a lot because I missed out on so much, right? And I was like, why? You know? So here is to no longer leaving money on the table. And I just added this income stream inside of my business, and you're going to hear me talking more about digital products and you know, courses and things like that, because if you want to create more cash flow in your business, that is one of the ways to do that. Anyway, I don't want to go into it too much. There's more videos that I can make because there's this whole, you know, you can join an affiliate system and all these things, but I'll touch on it just a teeny bit. You can join affiliate systems, but I find that if you join an affiliate system, it might draw your attention away from what you want to do. And so part of my kind of like why, my purpose, my theme was I want to help people do what they want to do, right? So if you want to build your network marketing company, I want to help you do that. If you want to build a health and wellness coaching business, I want to help you do that. My goal is to help people build a business that they love, that allows them to have a life, and put systems in place that allow you to still make money when you're not on your computer, right? And so that can be very specific to your specific business. And so anyhow, I have added this amazing course to my business, and I'll be talking more about that. If you want to learn more about it, I'll have a link for you in my description box and as a first link in my comments. And I've just added a ton of amazing bonuses when you partner with me, because the cool thing is I've created a bunch of courses. I've created a whole new members area. I've created so many amazing things that I'm so excited to share with people who partner with me. So if you want to learn more, then click on the link below to learn more about that specific program. I will have a link if you want to check it out. And you can position yourself to earn $500 over and over again, add it to whatever it is that you're doing, and be the Home Depot. Have multiple offers in your business. multiple offers that help people, because ultimately that is why, we want to add these things so that so it's a win-win situation. So I earn money and I help you grow your business. Why not? And if I can do it through a reseller course, an affiliate program, my own course, tools, training systems, why not? So anyway, how did I do? I don't think I have to edit too much. So with that being said, guys and gals, hopefully this video inspired you to stop leaving money on the table. And if you want to add this income stream, then and you want to learn what the course teaches, then click on the link right below this video, and I'll be making more videos about it. So that is it. That is my soapbox declaration for today. And I hope that you learn from me. Learn from me. There's so many people out there making, and it's not just about the money. They're making a lot of money because the reason we want to do that is because we want to change our families' lives. And coming full circle, I'm in the sandwich generation. I've got kids that I still want to help, and there's my, the older moms that are gonna be needing our help, and then us. We're right in the middle. So if you're my age, if you can relate, if you're near retirement, if you're just like, oh my gosh, I don't have the energy that I used to have as a young whippersnapper, I need to add more income streams to my business. Well, see me, talk to me, message me. We need to talk because I am no longer gonna just, keep myself in this narrow thinking box. As long as it aligns with a theme of what your purpose is and what you're here to do, then by gosh, don't live in a versus world. Live in an and world, in a multiplication world. Why not? All right. Well, hopefully this message inspired you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with brandingwithbarbie.com. I look forward to seeing you on my next video, and I'll talk to you very soon. Oh, by the way, I'll have some videos here on the end screen. So if you have a little more time, you want to hear a little bit more of my rambling, then you can do that by clicking on those videos. All right. I'll see you very soon. Bye.